Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Prime Minister visited Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi to inaugurate what is being touted as India's largest scheme to scale up health infrastructure. The PM also inaugurated 9 medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh under the PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. Now let's understand what is Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. The Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission is one of the largest pan-India schemes for strengthening healthcare infrastructure across the country. It is a central sponsored scheme or CSS. The CSS is a shared cost program and is meant to ensure a minimum standard of service across the country. Under this scheme, preference is given to undeserved, backward and aspirational districts. The scheme aims to increase the availability of health professionals, correct the existing geographical imbalance in the distribution of medical colleges, and effectively utilize the existing infrastructure of district hospitals. 8 medical colleges have been sanctioned under the centrally sponsored scheme for establishment of new medical colleges attached with district or referral hospitals, and 1 medical college at Jaunpur has been made functional by the state government through its own resources. Now let's discuss the aims and objectives of Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. The Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission's objective is to fill critical gaps in public health infrastructure, especially in critical care facilities and primary care in both the urban and rural areas. The mission will provide support to 17,788 rural health and wellness centers in 10 high-focus states and establish 11,024 urban health and wellness centers across the country. It will ensure access to critical care services in all districts of the country, with over 5 lakh population through exclusive critical care hospital blocks. The mission also aims to establish an IT-enabled disease surveillance system through a network of surveillance laboratories at block, district, regional and national levels. All the public health labs will be connected through the Integrated Health Information Portal, which will be expanded to all states and union territories. Under the scheme, a National Institution for One Health, 4 new National Institutes for Virology, a regional research platform for WHO, Southeast Asia region, 9 biosafety level 3 laboratories, and 5 new regional national centers for disease control will be set up. PMA-SBY also aims at operationalization of 17 new public health units and strengthening of 33 existing public health units at points of entry for effectively detecting, investigating, preventing and combating public health emergencies and disease outbreaks. Now moving on to the significance. A study, that is State of Democracy in South Asia, SDSA Round 3 by Lokniti CSDS in 2019 highlighted how access to public health care remained elusive to those living on the margins. The study found that 70% of the locations have public health care services. However, availability was less in rural areas, that is 65%, compared to urban areas. In 45% of the surveyed locations, people could access healthcare services by walking, whereas in 43% of the locations, they needed to use transport. Therefore, we can say that India has long been in need of ubiquitous healthcare system. Now moving on to the question for today. Consider the following statements with respect to the Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. 1. Under this scheme, critical care services will be available in all the districts of the country with more than 10 lakh populations only. 2. Out of total 9, 8 medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh have been completed under centrally sponsored schemes and one has been made functional by the state government with its own resources. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.